Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to find blocked accounts on Threads. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're gonna need to open up the Threads application on your Android and iOS. Then you have to go into your profile, your Threads profile, and then basically tap on the two lines at the top right, and then go into this privacy option. And here basically in other privacy options we have this blocked option. Okay, so when you will tap on this one, it will basically takes you to the block list of your Instagram account, because Instagram account blocks list and Threads app block list are the same. Okay, like if you basically block someone on Instagram, that person will automatically be blocked on Threads. And if you basically have blocked someone on the Threads app, then it will get automatically blocked on the Instagram app as well. Okay, so that is the list of both accounts here. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.